the alternator. This is the old one I just replaced. As you can see, it's got all sorts of fluids on it. Ignore that. This will be my demonstration dummy for the sake of this video. Prerequisites. Get a 15 on the belt tensioner and take the accessory belt off. The fan, optional, is just 4 10mm, but I don't have a fan shroud, so it's pretty easy to remove for me. Finally, disconnect the battery, and that's it. The alternator. 4 things all you have to detach before you can remove them. The power cable, the 10mm nut with the cover, the automatic transmission cooling lines, and the bolt holding on the thing. The power cable, use both hands for this. With one hand, carefully pull on the cables leading out of it. With the other hand, push down on the tab to release it. Be careful. If you break this, it's over. For the 10mm, take off the cover and bolt the nut. AT lines. You're going to want to jack the car out for this. There's a 14mm bracket that's actually on the stud and another 10mm bolt on the bottom attaching the lines to the bracket. In order to remove the bracket, you have to remove the 10mm holding on the AT lines. This does not apply with a manual, I think. As for the final bolt, take out the 14mm bolt. When you remove this bolt, it will be hanging only on the stud at the bottom from the AT lines. After that, slide it off, carefully bring it up, and done. The reinstallation is just as simple. You slide the new one onto the stud, rotate it so you can get the bolt in, attach the lines, put the cover back on, and reinsert the power cable. Reattach the accessory belt, put the fan back on if you took it off, plug in your battery, and done. It's pretty simple. RP